In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace a relay in this BMW X5. The relay box is going to be located in the back on the passenger side. Let's get into it. With the rear hatch open, you can see on the side there's a little handle here. You want to pull that up, pop that door down. You can see there's relays right here. You want to grab the relay, just pull it straight up, it slides out. Only goes on one way. To install the relay, you want to take the new one, line it up, and push it down in place. Take the door, close it up.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.